Hi, I'm Canon Andy Trenier, Canon presenter at Winchester Cathedral. You join me in the middle of our rehearsals just as Chichester Cathedral Choir are about to record their piece for our new Southern Cathedrals online concert. Normally this time of year at one of our three cathedrals, the choirs of the three cathedrals gather together to have a great festival of choral music and music ministry. But because of COVID this year, it's much reduced. We are having a live Saturday. Tickets are available through our website. But this year, for the first time, we're having a complete digital makeover with 8 short 4-minute films telling the story of the decline and shelving of music during lockdown and its amazing and buoyant recovery in this cathedral and in others throughout our land. If you're interested to hear this story of hopefulness and joy ending in a brilliant 40-minute live recorded concert, please do make sure you pay attention to our social media and to our cathedral website, where information and the films will be released gradually in the days leading up to the 17th and 18th of July. Please do join us.